Okay, this is Mike Soares of Cerasi Tenor Guitars at CerasiTenorGuitars.com. We're gonna show you today how to make a 8-string bridge for a solid body guitar. It's for a making an 8-string tenor, octave mandolin. You can make a bouzouki. You could also use this for making a mandocello. Again, this is for a solid body like a Stratocaster or Telecaster, or even a Les Paul style guitar. Anything that has a standard flat top stop bridge on it. This is our standard bridge. Two things I want to point out on this bridge. Number one, you want a back-loaded bridge for this operation. Okay, you don't want one that has on the bottom only has the screw holes on the top here. So what this is going to do is we're going to remove the middle saddles, and this is going to give you 8 string holes. Okay, so that's what we did here. We took away the saddles in the middle, the 4 saddles, left the 2 outer saddles, and that leaves you 8 string holes. Again, this is basically the same bridge, just a bigger size, back mount. They come in different sizes, but your spacing here is basically the same on most of the bridges. But again, you want a back loaded bridge. And what we do with this here is, once we take away the saddles, we have 2 options. One simple way that we do it, we just use a simple threaded bar, 1/4 inch threaded bar, a bolt. We cut off the end so it fits nicely across the 2 saddles. And then what we do here is we grind away each side to a half moon. The important thing is to get these bottoms even with each other, so that when they fit onto the saddles, they fit nice and flat. They don't flop around. It's going to sit nice and firm when the strings are put on there. Another thing you want to look for, you want these saddles that have the little bump in the front. Okay, some have a square bump, some have a little round bump. That's going to hold your saddle from slipping off. Here we have a 7-string bridge, which we usually use to make a 5-string guitar. Sometimes we get, but if you notice on this here, this has the flat top on your saddles. So you don't want that because your saddle will slide off of there. Another thing that we do, a little higher end, nicer looking. This is what we basically do now. We take a 3/16 by 3/16, what they call it, a keystock bar. Okay, and what we do is we cut this to the size that we need, and then with the grinder, you can use a Dremel tool. We grind this down so it's like a pyramid on the top. The flat bottom here, you can see, and again a pyramid on this side. We round the ends off, and as you can see, we buffed it out. It buffs out nicely. It still has to be buffed out a little bit more, but this will buff out to a nice shine. And then that's placed on there. When you put your strings on there, you get your strings in place, you adjust your height. Your height is adjustable, your intonation is adjustable. Put your strings on, tighten your strings up, mark where your strings are going to set, and then take a file and space your strings out. Again, this could be made as a mandocello, octave mandolin, regular mandolin. Now if you want to use this, make a small size solid body with a mandolin, I think it's 13-inch scale. Again, you can make a bouzouki out of a 25.5-inch, 24-inch scale, octave mandolin, even a mandocello for a solid body guitar. Again, I hope this helps. Again, this is Mike Soares at CerasiTenorGuitars.com. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you.